I screwed up so bad. Very bad. Yeah, totally. What's up everybody? I just got back from my cruise. We were aboard the Norwegian Jade. It was a fantastic 8 nights long cruise and it was a good getaway. Yep, chilled. It's a very laid back cruise. We got on the ship in Singapore and then we set sail up north to Phuket. Then went all the way down south back to Malaysia, from Langkawi to Penang and then Port Klang, and finally sailed back to Singapore. Yes, I screwed up. I thought I backed up all my footage on this SSD. I thought so. Everything from what I did on the ship. I shot everything on board, every deck, almost every place, every entertainment. And then I formatted my laptop. Don't ask me why I did it or why I formatted, or I don't even know what got into me. Probably I was quite tired, but yeah, I formatted my laptop just to fix some problem with this laptop, this MSI laptop. Well, I fixed the problem, but I totally forgot, or at least I overlooked the fact that I didn't back it up. I wasted my time bringing this. It's a nice solid state drive though. Love it. I use it for my Mavo LF. I don't know what else to do. Luckily I have some footage of our suite on our cruise, but that footage is not made for this video. It's just purely for memory's sake and also to just... Yeah. Brilliant, Vince. Brilliant. Round of applause. And a pat on my head. Well done. I guess I have to make do with what I have. With some very, very amateurish videos. Here's an aerial view of the magnificent Norwegian Jade. What a marvelous sight. She was first launched back in 2006 and recently refurbished not long ago, roughly in 2017. It has a fresh new look with a modern decor interior, making her look and feel like new. The Jade can hold up to about 2,400 passengers with a crew of 1,001, making up to a 2.18 to 1 ratio of passengers to crew. She has more than 16 dining options available, a decent wide variety of specialty dining cuisines, and of course, not forgetting the plentiful bars and lounges to quench your thirst. Moving on, here's a rough idea of how our 2-bedroom Haven Suite looks like. It can accommodate up to about 6 passengers. This feels pretty much like a self-contained inside stateroom. Do mind the mess. There's some decent space for your clothes and other stuff, some shelf space on the top right, and also a few drawers to organize yourself. A small shelving real estate space on your left, and also a hairdryer is provided. Originally, it's a 2 to 3 seater couch, but we have opted to turn our room down and converted it to a bedroom for the duration of our trip. It's also much easier on our cabin attendant too. There's an additional bunk up there for the third person and a small TV for your own personal entertainment. Oh, before I forget, there's also an auxiliary USB port available on the wall light to charge your mobile devices. Here's the bathroom. Almost similar to most of the staterooms, sink railings for your hand towels, a small waste bin under the sink, some shelves for your toiletries. The shower area is pretty decent size, but you might struggle if you're a 6-footer. Next up from the inside room is the main part of the suite. The butler will always provide us with fresh fruits and snacks on a daily basis. There's a list of good selection of blockbusters movies to request if you want to watch something. And also my favorite part of the whole section is the Nespresso machine, making me a good quick cup of coffee every morning when I wake up. Here's some cups and glassware in a glass cabinet. And this would be the small dining table should we choose to have our room service for breakfast, lunch or dinner. And here's the main living room with the same comfortable couch and a bed. There's also plenty of modern contemporary arts displayed throughout the whole entire ship too. Finally, this would be the master bedroom with an ensuite. A nice cozy bed I would think, but it's definitely cozy, that's for sure. The mirrors placed up on both sides, giving this place an impression that's very grand and wide. It doesn't feel claustrophobic at all, with a slight yellow tint to make the room feel very warm. You've got some space for your phone on the bedside and also more shelving space above it. And also a nightlight comes with a USB port to charge your device. Moving into the ensuite/bathroom, you've got a very large mirror with 2 sinks and also a dressing table. A nice bathtub with a lovely window view of the sea, and also bathing salt is provided. Here's a separate shower room with a very nice view of the sea too. Fitted with a generic standard hand shower, side massage shower jets, and also a rain shower on top. Besides this, here's your WC with a door for some privacy. A generous wardrobe size for your suits, dresses, and clothes, with plenty of hangers to spare. And lastly, a small balcony for you to chill and relax, and also to enjoy a wonderful sea breeze. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed a very brief tour of this 2-bedroom haven suite aboard the Norwegian Jade. I would have shown you more if I didn't accidentally reformatted my laptop. Oh well, next time it is. Anyway, please do like the video if you like it, and maybe consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope you have a pleasant day ahead.